Welcome to English for Beginners. Today's lesson is Definite and Indefinite Articles. Indefinite articles refer to non-specific nouns. You might say, I need a pen or I want an orange. In both cases, you aren't referring to a specific pen or orange. The definite article, the, on the other hand, refers to a specific noun. If you were to say, I want the orange, instead of an orange, you'd be talking about one specific orange. If you requested the pencil, instead of a pencil, you'd be asking for one particular pencil. Definite article, the. We use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable, or uncountable, to describe someone or something specific or unique. Indefinite article, a. A is used in front of singular, countable nouns, person, animal, or thing, which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sound, a comes before the noun. Indefinite article, an. If the noun starts with vowel sound, an comes before the noun. We don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. An is used in front of singular countable nouns, which are not specific. Example of definite article, the book, the frog. Example of indefinite article, a, and, an egg, an umbrella, a truck, a pen. Stay tuned for more lessons.